waxaan jeclahay hadduu ilaahay idmo inaan mikrofoonka aan ku soo dhaweeyo wiilasha uu dhalay gudoomiyaha gobolka Banaadir ahna duqa magaalada Muqdisho mudane Cabdiraxmaan Cumar Cismaan Yiriisow wiilashiisa oo kale ah Maxamed Cabdiraxmaan Cumar iyo sidoo kale Saabir Cabdiraxmaan Cumar ayaa hal eray insha Allah aabahood hambaliyada uga qayb qaadanaya
بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. First of all, if you allow me on behalf of my father, the Mayor of Mogadishu and Governor of Banadr, to thank you all for your attendance here today. We are very much grateful for all you are doing and all the support you are representing the UK community and the Somali community here in the UK. On behalf of my father, the Mayor of Mogadishu, we are very happy and we are very glad to see such an initiative, and we are very supportive of everything that's going on here. We represent the Somali voice, the Somali community. We are one community, one rare UK. Somali Hanurato, Somali Hanurato, Somali Hanurato. And as our father, the Mayor of Mogadishu, we are so happy to see everyone here today. And Mogadishu Hanurato as well. Jazakallah. Somali Hanurato.
ما يركل دار تمقديشو ملايا الناقة ما يركل دار تمقديشو مصلحة كتالي ما يركل دار تمقديشو مني ما أقو مساكين تي أقوها ما تذيا إلماها الله كامو تبعها شي مصيبة تال منو ينكدو وغن ربي غايا كام مصلحة